New explicit feature. The new explicit feature can store static shapes and wireframes. It helps to lighten the history tree load without considering feature order. There are some ways to generate the explicit feature. Importing external file is a common way. After importing, each shape will be listed in history as an individual explicit feature. Deleting some of them will not affect other features. And no delete operation is recorded in the history tree. Non-associative duplication, such as copy, mirror, and pattern, can also produce the explicit features. These explicit features can be moved anywhere, even ahead of their parent feature. Defeature tool allows users to remove the detail of an object. Then, a new explicit feature comes out. Encapsulate function will pack up the whole history tree. In this way, it simplifies the history tree. The overall improvements speed up the history regeneration.